Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to detoxify, relax, and just completely revive yourself. What would a spa self-care day be without candles, especially lavender? You know, it's relaxing. I'm also using the CBD bath bomb. If you don't know what CBD is, you have to look it up. The benefits are crazy. I'm adding some bath oil, you know, so you can be all soft when you get out of your bathtub. Okay, what you see here is some botanical flower aromatherapy for the bathtub. I love this one because it comes with this bag inside of it, and you can stick the flowers in the bag. So that way you don't have to worry about making a mess in your bathtub. So, you know, you're having a spa day, you don't want to be stuck cleaning. And they smell so freaking good. I also went ahead and bought a real flower bouquet from Walmart. Just a little cheap one, you know, $9. Because, you know, pretty girls like pretty things. Just kidding. So all I did was cut the stems off in the bathtub, which gave it a nice pretty touch, a nice pretty feel. See, look at this, so pretty. Okay, so speaking of flowers, I also put these are floating candles. I just got these from Ross, and I mean, they don't really do anything, but I think it gives it that, number one, they smell amazing, and you know, it gives it that relaxing feel. After lighting them, I went ahead and set up all my favorite snacks. So when I do spa days or take baths in general, I like to make sure I have my favorite snacks by the bathtub, because sometimes it's like, you know, you think about something that you wanted, you're like, damn, I wish I had this. And, you know, you don't have no reason to get out of the bathtub. So I was able to find this sage at Natural Grocers. And the reason I like it is it's okay for small spaces. So this sage that I'm lighting here is for strength and mental clarity. So I just lit that as well. Even though I have all these aromas going on, it just gives it that beautiful feel. When I do take baths, at least once a week, I like to exfoliate. So this is just a regular exfoliation sponge. I think I got this from Ross. It was like $3. But you guys, this hemp body scrub right here, amazing. It smells so good and it just leaves you so soft. So I just like to exfoliate, you know, get all smooth like I believe a woman should be. And then I'm grabbing this little you guys know how I put the aromatherapy dried up flowers into the little bag. So I'm just grabbing that, and I'm gonna use that to wipe off all of the hemp seeds that are like left behind. So after soaking in the bathtub for a while, you know, soaking up all the CBD and letting it get all into my skin, I'm just going into my room, and I want to go ahead and go in there and sage my room as well. So I am in the process of moving. That is why my bed is on the floor, you guys. So don't judge me. And I removed my curtains as well. But anyway, I go ahead and sage the room, and I kind of just like to walk around because this one is not that strong. Like I said, it's for small indoor spaces. So I just want to walk around my room and sage the whole room just to get that, you know, that good purified feeling. So I am going to be doing a face mask as well. But before I do that, I'm definitely in need of some eye patches, you guys. You know, it's for like anti-puffiness, and it just helps your eyes look revived in a whole different way. Okay, right here, guys, these detox pads. Oh my God. So what it is it's a detox pad. So you put them on your feet, right? And the pad starts off, I'm going to show you guys the pictures a little bit later. But the pad starts off white, and you put it on your foot for about an hour, and it's supposed to remove all the toxins out of your feet. So like from white to brown, crazy. So today I use a different type of detox mask that I normally get, but this one is dope because it's like you make your own mixture, and it comes with jojoba oil. And everything you see in here, I think I got from Natural Grocers, but I will link every single thing down below this time. I like this one too because it's even safe to put on your lips. So, you know, detoxing helps with anti-aging and everything. So when I do these spa days and stuff, I like to detox everything. That's why I'm not drinking in this video, but I'm drinking during this voiceover. I'm not gonna lie. So if you hear me slurring a little bit, my bad. So yeah, I went ahead and made my mixture, and at first I mixed it with scissors, and I was like, you know what the fuck? It was not working like I wanted it to, so I was like, I'm gonna use this on my fingers anyway, so I just stuck my fingers in there. But if I would have had like a little makeup brush that I could have used, I would have just used that. So as you can see, I'm putting it on my lips because I need it everywhere. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been having some breakouts lately, which is freaking ridiculous, but I think it's all the stress. See, I can still drink though. Just get you a straw. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this hair food in my hair, and I love this one, y'all. It has avocado and argan oil, And I don't know if it's because I've been bald head yet, so my hair just feels healthy in general, but I really, really love this one. So I already shampooed my hair this morning, so all I'm doing is kind of brushing it out. And I'm going to go ahead and just put the mask in. And the good thing about being bald now, I could literally just splatter the whole thing in my hands and then just rub it through my head. Look at this. What the fuck? But anyway, I could splatter it in my hands and I love it. It's so easy. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but my hair is growing so fast already. So I definitely have to keep these masks up and remember it's for cutting my hair to keep it healthy. So again, I'm just putting my shower cap on there and I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute. So now I'm getting into the relaxing part, y'all. These henna tattoos you can do at home, little DIY. And I also got this from Natural Grocers. So first you just pick out a design, which I picked out mine. And you go ahead and trace it on this paper, which I did. Yeah, I followed every single step. But what pissed me off is like when I went to go put the stencil on my hand, the stencil it made me mad because I couldn't get it right. And the stencil just went all over the place. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. I went ahead and just freestyled it because I'm like, you know what? This is a spa day. This is a detoxifying day, self-care. Like if anything you're doing is stressing you out while you are trying to just have some me time and everything, you don't need that stress. So you can cancel that. So yeah, like I said, I was just kind of mad though because I spent time doing this, but at the same time it was very relaxing just to trace this. Look at it. It looks like a fucking mural a little bit, you know. It took me a little bit of time, but it was very relaxing to sit here and do this. So yeah, in order to save my sanity, I went ahead and freehanded this design. But I really didn't use this design at first. I was gonna do it completely the same. But then I was like, girl, just do anything. As long as you do some dots and some squares, some little triangles, then you know everything is going to look good. So I put it in the little applicator bottle. And then I just went ahead and applied it. So like I said, the one that I used, I eventually just used the, what is it called? Like the example sticker. The one that I did actually sit out and draw. I used that one as kind of a example of what I wanted to do. So I just went ahead and started making some dots and making some triangles, and it actually came out pretty good. So this part right here was really relaxing, you guys. I was sitting here with my little drink, and I know I'm wrong because I detoxed earlier, but you know what? Fuck it. This is a part of my spa day. So yeah, I literally just sat here, made some triangles, put some dots on there, and eventually it was finished. So this was the last but not least, the last thing that I did for my spa self-care day and everything. I was happy with how it came out. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and probably edit the video because that also brings me peace. And I'm probably going to go ahead and continue to listen to my audiobook. I love listening to Rachel Hollis's voice on audiobooks, and I'm going to go ahead and listen to Girl Stop Apologizing, which I already listened to, but I want to again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brought you some peace, and I will see you in the next video.